How to change your handle on X Twitter account. Having to change your username is pretty simple and easy in the X Twitter account. And to change your handle name, all you have to do is to navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and support and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to scroll down a bit and locate settings and privacy. Upon selecting this, you land on an interface like this. Continue to tap on your account. With this selected, you have a list of options. Make sure to tap on account information. Then under account information, you can see my current username, which is the @techhow_2. Proceed to tap on it. As you could currently see, this is my current username, which is techhow_2. In order for me to change it, all I have to do is to backspace it and make sure I enter the one that I want to use. Then upon entering and it's readily available, I'll continue to tap on done. That's it. You have successfully changed your handle on X Twitter account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.